Transferring money to Revolut by the bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To add money to your Revolut account via bank transfer, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the home screen. Then tap on plus add money. Here, select the currency in which you want to receive money by pressing the arrow pointing down. Press change and scroll down and select regular bank transfer. Use the provided details to initiate a transfer from your bank's website or app. If you encounter any issues, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. After a reasonable amount of time, check your Revolut account to ensure that the funds have been received. It's important to note that Revolut provides individual account details for different currencies. Make sure you're using the correct account details based on the currency you're transferring. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the transfer, including those from your bank and any potential currency conversion fees.